Guys, my name is Lance and today we are playing Piggy Book 2. Now, if you guys are wondering what am I doing here? Well, I'm just gonna escape chapter 4. Well, it's out. It's gonna be out. So, guys, let's get into the Okay, guys, it's chapter 4. Chapter new. Okay, guys, new chapter. If you piggy, please no yes. I'm just gonna play too. It's so nice if you look at it because you know it is infected. Fully, it's not infected. She just got her arm, something like that, guys. And it's you guys are wondering, it's not traitor! Traitor! Trator. That's, I think in Mexican, it's trator. Yeah, that's what it's called. And guys, it's gonna be and base. Oh my, that's okay. I want get key, please. Yeah, guys, and it's my first time playing. It's not my first time playing Piggy, but you know, guys, you get, guys. Why is it game? I guess I don't know. That's where Piggy's from. Wait, there's a ladder there. Get the ladder. Get that ladder. Get that ladder. We are super duper. What? It's just my first time and you guys died. What? Guys, why? I'm just gonna draw up my death station. What? Why? Sorry, I'm just shouting because I'm so triggered. Please give me an item. Yes, protect me because you know I'm just crazy. It's my first time doing this because yeah, guys, and sorry, excuse me, forward. Yeah, it's player, please. I'm begging you, Ninitan, please pick play. No, why is it infected all the time, bro? Hell, please don't kill him. I'm just new. I am new here. Okay, guys, I'm just joking. I'm not new at this game, but because I want to do everything. Yeah, boy. I'm just cheating because they are that I have nothing. Guys, got the Yogi. It's my first time. The bot is more smarter, right? Yeah, Crickcraft says the bot is smarter. I'm talking to you. But I got trash. That's a meme. By the way, you can use the treadmill. Big Bisad says. That's nice. This is so scary. This is so scary and creepy. I know how horror movie is. I'm so struggling. I'm so... Oh my goodness! Okay. So guys, I am back and oh my goodness, I am so lucky I didn't die. I died. I am so unlucky because you know it. You know, super unlucky. I got the green key. Get the screw right. Get that. Yeah, get that. Why, guys? Why? You guys are so dumb. Please stop it. I can do it with myself because I have a VIP server. I'm just gonna leave the game, and because I have my own VIP server, I'm just gonna join my friend. If it's full. Okay, guys, and I am back, and it's you know, it's gonna be so hard to this. Okay, guys, sorry for the noise because okay, I'm just gonna pause my video. BRB. So guys, I am back, and sorry it takes so long, and I will just play game. Okay, let's play. Ooh, sure. First things first, I need to play Piggy because you know, experiencing what? Please try again later. What? What do you need to? Why? Why? That's so disturbing. Oh, what? What? I'm sorry. Now I'm gonna get the green keys. The bot is very smart. Hey, time to die, bro! It's shiny. The bot is more. The world. Yeah, let's get the crown because you know I like crowns. Just kidding. So guys, that's so disturbing, you know. Why Piggy? Why? Why do you do this, Piggy? Please, why do you do this? Why? Oh yeah, wait, guys, okay. Quick tour. You know, guys, I am not all of that, right? Because you know, I am so unlucky with my friend. Because Ashley Charles, please. I to him unsub. unsub to Ashlyn Games. Just kidding. JK. You know, he's gonna be fat bad and he will cry to death. I mean, not that. You know, okay, guys, now let's go to the let's play. What do you guys want to play, huh? What do you guys want to play? You know, guys, we can play. Wait, what is this? Neck up? What? What in the world? You know, guys, I'm finally added next up. More some coming soon, I guess. What the electric? This is the electrical in. Well, again in the. Ashley. This is killing my friend. Oh my goodness. This is
I give you fire, you give me rock. Good deal. I give you fire, you give me rock. Good deal. Fresh.
Oh, you playing Minecraft? I like it, cut G. Oh, you playing Minecraft? I like it, cut G. Oh, you playing Minecraft? I like it, cut G. Oh, you playing Minecraft? I like it, cut G.
that's a lag. That's a bug. Something like that.
Fresh meat.
Yeah, guys, that's good. This is a meme, bruh. I'm banning my friend. This part. Okay. Don't worry.
Skip it up and that up. Skip it up and that up. Skip it up and that up.
sandwich.
やれやれだぜ。やれやれだぜ。
That's bad.
Fresh meat.
Like and subscribe. Alright. Like and subscribe. Alright. Thank you. Right? That's it, right? Yeah. So I will yep, guys. So guys, I will be back right back, and I will pick a game. This is the last game. Okay. So that's for today. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Hope so. Please subscribe because I need to hit 30 subscriber, and I will do 30 subscriber. Okay. So guys, I will see you guys next time, and I will tell I'm just gonna tell you why I didn't make a video. Well, you know, guys, I always have a school. Say, I have school, and you can watch my video. I cannot put it link the description because I am in phone. That's lowly. But if you don't know, I am so sorry for not making a video. But so guys, hope you enjoy my video, and see you guys next time. Bye.